Okay guys, this is how to turn on the Roadhog 4. The switch is located at the back left side of the console. Just simply flick that switch and you will see the fan or the blower spin. You can also see on the screen the message saying that the window is starting up. It will take only 30 seconds to start up. Once it's ready, there's a window pops up on the screen like that. You can select the show file that you want by touching the down arrow. Once you selected the show file that you like, press launch show. Then it will automatically load up. Right there, just select the view that you wanted on the top of the screen like that. Now you want to exit from this show file and you want to load a different show file. What you can do is press setup on the keypad and touch the quit tab, then log off. After you log off, the screen will turn to black with number 4 logo on it like this, and this screen will come out. Press the down arrow and choose whatever show file you want to load, like for example that one, and then launch show. It will only take a few seconds to load up. You will see only black on the screen. All you have to do is press or touch the show view on top right there. Then all the views on the screen will come out.